Hello and welcome to the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, ready to guide you through today's most important stories. NewsRamp.com brings you curated business news from top sources, keeping you informed and ahead of the curve. A quick note before we start. This podcast is created using AI and AI voices, but all the news stories are real, and you can find the complete articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Thursday evening, November 13th, 2025, and we've got an exciting lineup of health, fitness, and wellness news waiting for you. So whether you're driving, taking a break, or winding down for the day, let's get right into it. Our first story today is
GeoVax reports third quarter 2025 financial results and provides business update. GeoVax Labs Inc. reported its financial results for the third quarter of 2025, showcasing advancements in its GeoMVA program amid the global Mpox emergency and expansion of Deptin into new solid tumor programs. The company's CEO highlighted the progress made in developing innovative vaccines and immunotherapies to address urgent medical needs. With the continued global spread of Mpox, GeoVax's GeoMVA program represents a scalable next-generation MVA platform. Additionally, the GeoCM04S1 COVID-19 vaccine program demonstrated robust immune responses in immunocompromised patients, while the Gedeptin oncology program expanded into multiple solid tumor indications. GeoVax's financial results showed a net loss for the quarter, with revenue primarily from government contracts. The company's cash position at the end of September 2025 was over $5 million. For more information, visit geovax.com. NRx Pharmaceuticals, NRxP, to report Q3 2025 financial results and host conference call on November 17th. NRx Pharmaceuticals, a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company, will release its third quarter 2025 financial results on November 17, 2025, followed by a conference call at 8:30 a.m. ET to discuss corporate, financial, and operational updates. The company is developing therapeutics for central nervous system disorders, including suicidal depression, chronic pain, and PTSD. NRx 100 and NRx 101 have received Fast Track and Breakthrough Therapy designations for treating suicidal ideation and bipolar depression. NRx has filed an abbreviated new drug application and initiated a new drug application filing for NRx 100, with an application for the Commissioner's National Priority Voucher Program for the treatment of suicidal depression. Please see full terms of use and disclaimers on the Investor Brand Network website for more information.
Network News Breaks. Fields REIT Inc. eyes untapped opportunity in elderly care market. Fields REIT Inc. W is strategically positioning itself in the elderly care market, valued at $49 and $29 in 2024, and projected to reach $98.99 billion by 2032. With a focus on acquisitions and leases, Star W owns 142 healthcare facilities across 10 states, totaling over 15,500 licensed beds. Its portfolio includes 130 skilled nursing facilities, 10 assisted living facilities, and 2 long-term acute healthcare hospitals. The company's aggressive expansion plan aims to capitalize on the growing need for elderly care as the aging population increases.
Investor news breaks. NanoViricides, an American NNVC, closes $6 million registered direct offering with concurrent private placement of warrants. NanoViricides Inc., NYSE American NNVC, closed a $6 million registered direct offering with a single healthcare institutional investor, alongside a concurrent private placement of Series A and Series B warrants for an equal number of shares, with exercise prices of $1.75 and $2, respectively. The net proceeds will be used for working capital and general corporate purposes. AGP, Alliance Global Partners, acted as sole placement agent. NanoViricides is a publicly traded clinical-stage company creating nanomaterials for antiviral therapy. The company's lead drug candidate is NV387, a broad-spectrum antiviral drug for RSV, COVID, long COVID, influenza, and other respiratory viral infections. NanoViricides is also developing drugs against various viral diseases. The company holds a worldwide exclusive perpetual license for several drugs targeting human viral diseases. For more information, Visit the company's newsroom at the provided link.
HeartBeam Inc., NASDAQ B, advances remote cardiac diagnostics with HeartNexus partnership. HeartBeam Inc., listed on NASDAQ as BEAT, is pushing the boundaries of remote cardiac diagnostics through its partnership with HeartNexus. The HeartBeam system allows patients to easily record a 30-second ECG with a credit card-sized, cable-free device from anywhere. This collaboration ensures that board-certified cardiologists are available 24/7 to interpret the results for arrhythmia assessment and provide expert feedback. By teaming up with HeartNexus, HeartBeam aims to provide cardiologist-level ECG insights for arrhythmia assessment anytime, anywhere, making significant strides in the fight against cardiovascular disease, the leading cause of global mortality. Investor news breaks. Lantern Pharma, LTRN, reports Q3 2025 results and highlights AI-driven clinical progress. Lantern Pharma, NASDAQ TRN, reported third quarter 2025 results, achieving all primary endpoints in the LP-184 Phase 1A trial with a 48% clinical benefit rate. The company plans Phase 1b/2 studies in TNBC, NSCLC, and bladder cancer, supported by pharmacokinetic data. Lantern noted progress in its pediatric CNS cancer program and increased commercial interest in LP-284. Lantern Pharma is an AI company leveraging over 200 billion oncology-focused data points to accelerate oncology drug development, with a pipeline estimated to have a combined annual market potential over $15 billion US. For more information, visit the company's newsroom at s/ibn.fm LTRN.
Investor news breaks. SOBRsafe Inc., OBR, posts triple-digit Q3 revenue growth and strong demand for SR Gen 2, SOBRsafe Inc., trading on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol SOBR, reported a 136.1% year-over-year increase in Q3 2025 revenue, driven by the strong demand for its SOBRsure Gen 2 device. The device accounted for over 80% of quarterly revenue, contributing to annual recurring software revenue of $152.2 thousand, up 60.5%. The company sold 277 devices, refined its marketing strategy, and saw a 266% increase in website traffic. Despite a net loss widening to $2.2 million, SOBRsafe remains focused on commercialization, expanding channel partnerships, and investing in product development and software capabilities for long-term growth. Rarest natural element promises to revolutionize how cancer is treated. Scientists at Texas A&M University have unlocked a new way to treat cancer by using the rarest natural element, astatine-2,1-len, to target and eliminate cancer cells while sparing healthy tissues. In addition to this breakthrough, companies like Therapeutics Inc. are making strides in cancer treatment through approaches like immunotherapy. These advancements are changing the landscape of cancer treatment, offering new hope for patients. BioMedWire is a specialized communications platform focusing on the latest developments in the biotechnology, biomedical sciences, and life sciences sectors, providing access to a vast network of wire solutions for companies looking to reach a wide audience of investors, influencers, and the general public.
Davies-Hotham injury law wins $1.2 million jury verdict for Hall County crash victim. Davies-Hotham injury law secured a $1.2 million jury verdict in Hall County for a man injured in a four-vehicle collision. The defense offered $25,000, but witnesses reported the defendant was speeding and passing in a no-passing zone, causing the crash. The client suffered from neurogenic thoracic outlet syndrome and required multiple surgeries. Despite medical bills of $200,000, the jury awarded $1.2 million after partner Christy Davies challenged defense experts. This case underscores the importance of experienced trial counsel in car accident cases, where speeding and aggressive driving are common factors. Davies-Hotham injury law is known for client-focused advocacy and a commitment to seeking justice for their clients. Bragg AI wins Silver Stevie Award for Best Health Tech Product for Women at 2025 Stevie Awards for Women in Business. Bragg AI, an ADHD communication assistant, has won the Silver Stevie Award for Best Health Tech Product for Women at the 2025 Stevie Awards for Women in Business. Developed by Rebecca Koniagari, Bridge AI uses AI to improve communication with ADHD individuals, reducing anxiety and confusion. The tool focuses on rewriting messages for easier processing by ADHD minds, offering tone and clarity adjustments, personalized feedback, and voice cloning. Judges praised Bridge AI for its innovation and empathy-driven design, calling it a caring and radical change. Founder Rebecca Koniagari stated that the award validates their mission to foster human connection and support neurodiversity. The tool has shown measurable improvements in clarity and emotional understanding for users. For more information, visit dugguy.com.
Female victim of chiropractor hires Dixon Law Office to fight sexual exploitation. A female victim of a trusted chiropractor who secretly filmed patients undressed has hired Dixon Law Office to fight against sexual exploitation. The victim, a patient of Dr. David Hansen at Hansen Family Chiropractic in Batavia, Illinois, was recorded nude without her knowledge. Dr. Hansen faces multiple felony charges after over 180 hidden camera recordings of patients, some minors, were found. The Kane County State's attorney called it one of the most egregious violations of patient privacy. Dixon Law Office's founder, G. Grant Dixon III, stated that the victim came for healing but was violated. The firm is investigating additional claims and urges anyone with information to come forward.
Doctors for Providers now includes physician malpractice coverage with most collaborations and medical directorships. Doctors for Providers, DFP, the nation's leading physician-led organization, has announced a major enhancement to its service model. Physician malpractice insurance is now included with most collaborations and medical directorships, providing nurse practitioners, physician assistants, and other healthcare providers with unprecedented protection. This offering combines risk mitigation, compliance assurance, and cost efficiency in a single solution. By including malpractice coverage, DFP is setting a new national standard for safety and accountability in collaborative practice models. This change empowers providers to focus on patient care rather than paperwork or liability, offering protection and partnership in one simple solution. For more information or to explore compliant collaborations, visit doctorsforproviders.com.
Transform your smile with a local orthodontist in South Ogden. Transform your smile with Albrechtsen and Finelli Orthodontics, a premier local orthodontist in South Ogden. Dedicated to providing exceptional care tailored to each patient's unique needs, this practice uses advanced technology and innovative techniques to ensure a comfortable and effective experience. From traditional braces to discreet Invisalign options, they offer personalized treatment plans to improve dental health and boost confidence. With a welcoming environment, state-of-the-art equipment, and a commitment to community involvement, Albrechtsen and Finelli Orthodontics sets the standard for orthodontic care in South Ogden. Visit their website for more information.
HeartBeam, recognized as a top global innovator in portable ECG technology. HeartBeam, a medical technology company, has been recognized as a global IP and technology leader in portable cardiac diagnostics by PatentVest's Total Cardiac Intelligence Report. The company ranked second worldwide in 12 lead ECG innovation among 243 firms analyzed, highlighting its influence in cardiac monitoring technology. HeartBeam's proprietary synthesis ECG system captures the heart's electrical signals in 3 dimensions, allowing physicians to obtain vital information for patient care. The company's 3D ECG technology received FDA clearance for arrhythmia assessment in December 2024, with the 12-lead ECG synthesis software currently under FDA review. HeartBeam is dedicated to transforming cardiac health management with innovative solutions for remote care. Biomed news breaks. Origenics Inc., OGN, regains NYSE compliance, advances toward first clinical trial, and expands AI-driven neurology pipeline. Origenics Inc., a clinical-stage biotechnology company, has regained full NYSE American compliance and made significant progress in the third quarter of 2025. They have established clinical infrastructure in Australia and are preparing for their first ever Phase 2A trial of ONP002. Additionally, Oragenics has entered into a strategic collaboration with Receptor AI to expand their neurological therapeutics pipeline using artificial intelligence. CEO Janet Huffman stated, "We're not building a one-drug company, we're building a neurological therapeutics platform." Oragenics is focused on revolutionizing neurological care through proprietary intranasal delivery technology with the goal of addressing brain-related conditions. For more information, visit the company's newsroom at the provided URL.
Biomed News Breaks, NRx Pharmaceuticals Inc., NASDAQ NRXP, to report Q3 2025 financial results and host conference call on November 17th. NRx Pharmaceuticals NRXP will report its third quarter 2025 financial results on November 17th, followed by a conference call at 8:30 a.m. ET to discuss updates. The company is focused on developing therapeutics for central nervous system disorders, including suicidal depression, chronic pain, and PTSD. NRx has filed an abbreviated new drug application and initiated a new drug application filing for NRx 100 for the treatment of suicidal depression. For more information, visit NRx Pharmaceuticals newsroom at h/ibn.fm/NRXP. Investor News Breaks. Annovis Bio Inc., ANVS, reports major clinical and corporate milestones as Phase 3 Alzheimer's trial advances toward completion. Annovis Bio Inc., a late-stage clinical drug platform company, reported significant progress in the third quarter of 2025. The company fully activated all 84 sites in its Phase 3 Alzheimer's study and announced promising biomarker data from its Phase 2/3 trial. Recent achievements include transferring patents to a new crystal form of buntanetap with IP protection through 2046, publishing supportive pharmacokinetic data, and appointing Mark Guerin as CFO. President and CEO Maria Maccecchini stated that every element is aligned as they move toward data readouts and an NDA submission. Annovis Bio is dedicated to addressing neurodegeneration in diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, with a focus on improving patient outcomes and quality of life.
Quality dental implants now available in Mobile AL. Babston Oral Surgery in Mobile AL offers high-quality dental implants to transform smiles and improve quality of life. Their focus on patient care and comfort ensures a pleasant experience for every individual. Dental implants provide a permanent solution that looks and functions like natural teeth, enhancing chewing and speaking abilities. The practice's state-of-the-art facility and advanced techniques prioritize patient well-being. With a comprehensive evaluation process, personalized care, and a compassionate approach, Babston Oral Surgery guides patients through every step of the implant procedure. Beyond aesthetics, dental implants can boost confidence and self-esteem, improving overall quality of life. For those in Mobile AL seeking dental solutions, Babston Oral Surgery is a trusted choice for expert care and innovative solutions.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24-7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.